Is the market bottom in? I know a lot of you guys are freaking out lately as the market has been dumping. But always, whether it's a bear or bull market, trade with an open mind. Anything is possible to happen within this market. And weirdly enough, today seems like everyone finally feels like we are in a bear market. So, wait, actually, before I continue, make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and like the video because it helps with the algorithms. And I'm doing this for free, so I would really appreciate it if you guys comment on this video, share it if it helped you. If you watch our prior videos, the last video we posted and the one last week, you guys would have made a crap ton of money already because we literally called the dump and we called the pump. So hopefully this channel helps you out. It's really there for you guys and also to showcase what we do here at Chance Trades. So if you guys want alerts, make sure to visit chancetrades.com. The link is within the video description below. And also if you want option sweeps, where I always preach to trade with the right tools, make sure to follow callsorputs.com, which you can see here, this bright screen. Make sure that you're awake during trading hours and also make sure that you see it. As you can see, it shines bright in your face. But so with that being said, where do I think the market is going to go? Let's get right into the charts. So I always chart like this because we don't know where the market's gonna go, or at least we can't time the market. So all we can really do is trade based off of our levels. So I put these levels here, which are supply and demand levels. And from there, we play and see where we go from there. So I have a bullish projection and I have a bearish projection. I do tend to give out which side I favor more. As of right now, I am siding with at least a little micro rally to really confirm where we're going. And I will explain this right now. So this is the VIX, the volatility index. Right here, even if we were in a bear market, which means the VIX will continue upwards, in terms of Elliott wave count, we still don't have a finished correction. So as you can see here, and we called this within our Discord server in the Prem chat, as long as we don't make another high here, our projection for a market rally is still intact. And it seems like it rejected it. So based off of this scenario, I do think, corrections according to the Elliott wave theory does in threes. So they form in threes and impulses are in fives, as you can see here. That's a wedge. But here we got one up. We still need at least three down. So something like that, potentially, which is why I have this arrow here, which showcases downside into this area. Then we continue spiking up. That's for the bearish projection. For the bullish projection, this is the beginning of what we call in EW as wave 3. And this is a great level that I rejected because the typical wave 2 correction, in this case, it's down and then correction down. It rejected the 61 and 0.78. So that's very, very good. And, we came shooting down, which is typically what a wave 3 is very straightforward and explosive. So in the case this is a bull scenario, we should see it coming down to this 1.61, which is a usual target for wave 3, then a bounce towards the 0.23, 0.38 according to the laws of alternation, because we went, we retraced so far up for this wave 2. Wave 4 should be shallow and long in time. So this being said, we got this sharp rally correction, so downside, and then it should be a shallow correction here and long in time because this was short in time. That's the law of alternation in the Elliott wave theory. So this is the bull case scenario. The bear case is what I showed you guys a little earlier. I don't know why it changed. So yeah, those two. Now looking at the market ES, which is basically SPY, we called this level to the T. So if you look at our Discord, which I'll bring in here, our trades today, I mean, wow. I mean, I messed up yesterday and had like a bad day, but today we got a 300% trade, and then we got a 76% trade on calls because we knew the market would rally because it entered that level. And then I always say trade with the right tools. So boom, I'm about to hit y'all with this too. After I pull this back out, trading with the right tools. Callsandputs.com. Look what came in towards the end of the day. At 3:33, a SPY call comes in. It was at 3:85 that it came in. We got in earlier than that, but look what happened. We're now trading at 389, which you can see over here, or 390 in SPY. I think it's 392, well, 390.2 in SPY right now after hours. So trade with the right tools and, you know, follow the levels. But anyways, back to this. So what do we want to see here? We want to see a formation that shows us this is a new impulse starting. So far, so good. You know, we posted this in our chat. Here was a little late, but point being, we said that it was going to hit this level, which is the 382 level. And that's exactly what it did. And from there we bounced, as you can see here. What I really liked is that, you know, this is a point, I think it was a 0.50 retracement. So we hit the 0.6178. From there we rallied. So, you know, a typical wave 3 hits that 1.61. We completely blew past that. So let me just move this. So we hit the 387 and we continued upwards. It could also extend to the 2.61, which is also a typical extension, which we about to hit. But this is one of the levels where I'm watching a pullback, and in impulses we move in 5s, in corrections we move in 3s. So if we could hit this level, and if this is the confirmed like pivot top, we would want this to retrace back at least to the 0.5. As of now, I don't see anything here. Potentially we could, you know, well, we have to wait for levels to develop, but as of right now, like, we didn't even get up here, so we can't even really measure anything. But assuming that this is the top, then we measure out a 0.5, 0.61 for a wave 2 retracement. Remember, we could always count sub waves within waves. So it's very important that you guys are counting those as well. But if we could get up here, and count 5 waves up, we also want to count 3 down, then we go long from there. But as of right now, I think we do see a little more upside, at least 20 points more into this 392 level. We're currently at 390. So as of right now, I am bullish on the market, and I don't know whether we will be bearish or bullish within the next course of trading, but new pivots will form, and I only do these videos once a week. But if this has ever helped you, make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. And if you guys want more intensive updates, make sure to join the Discord. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram, because that's where I post my intraday views on the market. But have a great weekend. And I probably won't be doing a video next week or the week after, all the way up into July, maybe, because I am going back to New York, then I'm going to Canada. Then I'll be back to Virginia probably in July. Or at least you won't see my face. Maybe I'll do it on the laptop, but let's see. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.